Mastering polite disagreement. Understanding, I concede that point. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very useful phrase in English conversations, especially in discussions or debates. I concede that point. This phrase is a powerful tool in your language arsenal, showing not only your command of English but also your ability to engage in discussions respectfully. So, let's get started and explore what it means, how to use it, and why it's so important. I concede that point is a phrase used when you agree with a specific point or argument someone else has made, even if you may not agree with their overall conclusion. It's a way of acknowledging that the other person has made a valid or strong argument regarding a particular detail or aspect of the discussion. The word concede here means to admit, often reluctantly, that something is true or valid after first denying or resisting it. This phrase is particularly useful in formal discussions, debates, or any situation where a nuanced conversation is taking place. It shows that you are listening carefully to the other person's arguments and are willing to acknowledge good points, which can foster a more respectful and productive dialogue. When using this phrase, it's important to be genuine and specific about what you are conceding. For example, you might say, I concede that point about the environmental benefits of cycling to work. But I still believe that public transportation is a more viable option for most people. Conceding points does not mean you are weak or changing your entire stance. Rather, it demonstrates open-mindedness, honesty, and integrity in discussions. It helps to build trust and respect with your conversation partners, showing that you are not just there to win an argument but to engage in a meaningful exchange of ideas. Furthermore, conceding points can actually strengthen your position. It shows that you have considered all aspects of the issue and have made a thoughtful decision about where you stand. It can also help to diffuse tension in heated discussions and lead to more constructive conversations. In conclusion, I concede that point is a valuable phrase to understand and use in your English communication. It helps to create a respectful and productive environment for discussions, demonstrating your ability to engage thoughtfully and considerately with others' ideas. Remember, effective communication is not just about making your own points but also about recognizing and appreciating the valid points made by others. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this video has been helpful in improving your English language skills.